Hello and welcome to the channel. Don't worry, I will fix the lighting. It's a theme, I'm trying to do something here. So for the past two videos, I reviewed a solar panel and I reviewed a power station. I'm in my whole doomsday survivalist kind of midlife crisis kind of thing. Like, oh my God, what do I do if the power goes out? I can cook rice, I can do stuff with my power station, but how do I entertain myself? That's why I got this here. This is a media player. Let me turn on the light to show you. Ooh, this is a bit bright. Media player. So what this is that you can plug this into your TV, and then you can plug your flash drive, SD cards, hard drives into this, and then you can consume your media on the TV. Yes, and this entire video will be powered off of my power station here. This is the Pecron E1000 LFP that I recently did a video on. You check that out. So let's fix the lighting and turn on the power. All right, power station's on. And then I turn on my AC outlets. Let there be light. All right, let me grab this light again. Turn it down a bit. All right, so for I/O on this device here, on the top we have HDMI, AV out, and DC 5 volts. Now this DC 5 volts, I'm very worried about this DC 5 volts because it's cool that this device uses DC 5 volts, but what if I have a external hard drive? The external hard drive will need more than 5 volts to power it, because this will probably use 5 volts, and how much voltage will actually go to powering my media device. Anyways, on the back side we have USB, SD card, and IR for the remote. Another thing about this 5 volts here is that this 5 volts, you could get this 5 volts from USB, but the plug is a barrel plug. Let me unplug it here. It's this weird shaped plug that gives 5 volts barrel connection. So let's plug this back in, and all right, so let's set everything up and show you how it does. This video is supposed to be an initial testing, but this is the second time I'm doing the video because I set the camera into S&Q mode, which is like slow motion, and the video is slow and there's no audio. So I was screwed. So we do all of this over again, and I'll basically hit on all the points that I made in the previous time I recorded this video, because I'm such a professional. I guess there's a reason why my channel is not monetized, right? All right, let's turn on the TV. We have it plugged up to this media player, plugged up to HDMI 1. So, there we go. Can you guys tell that I don't really use the TV? All right, so here we have video, photo, music, file, and settings. I'm using the remote here. Let's go into video. Right, we don't have anything plugged up. That's fine. During the first time I did the recording for this video, I tried plugging in my hard drive. Remember I was talking about issues with the 5 volts that this device uses? Well, I had my concerns in the original video too, and they were legitimate. So let's plug this in. All right, it's plugged in. We have a light on the hard drive, and take a listen to this. Yeah, so I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but that clicking definitely tells me that, hey, something's not right. And what is not right is that the hard drive is probably not getting enough voltage. So just going to disconnect my hard drive. What I'm going to do instead is use an SSD. This is a SATA to USB adapter. I have my SSD right here. Initially, I did think about using a big hard drive dock, but that would mean that I would have to power a big hard drive. So you can either use an SSD like this, or like a portable SSD, like what I have upstairs, my Samsung T7 and my Samsung T5. I'm not sure what it is, but yeah, you could use those instead of this. But this is what I had demonstration, what I have for demonstration purposes. So let's get on to it. All right. So when I, in the original video, I did remark, yo, how am I going to know if my media is being read by this media player? We have a USB symbol up here, and then we did have a sign saying USB is mounted. So let's go into our video. All right, video, we back out, photo, back out. So I did put some media on it last night after I finished recording the first take. Then I'm like, oh crap, why is it 29.9, was it 29 point what? 59 frames per second? Then I'm like, where's my audio? Then I'm like, ah. So one thing I noticed about how this does their file organization is that only if you dump your media onto your hard drive, then it will be organized into video, photo, music, and files. So if you have your stuff organized in any way, if you click on video, you will have everything will be organized. And photo, see, it will show you the file structure of the hard drive. Music. So let's watch a video. All of this is like not good. Wait, I did have one. Where's the thing that I had? Picron. P. Huh. Okay, so I did have the video of me of my review of this unit here, the Picron. I don't know where it is. I doubt I deleted it. Let's go into file. That's strange. Even the music I had, or the music was probably not even on this hard drive. All right, let me put some music on the hard drive, and I'll put the video of me reviewing my Picron on here, because I don't really want to play any of this. All right, so on the controls itself, you have, I'll put it up on the screen. You have home, OSD, return, reverse, play, pause, forward, go to. Oh, you can even control the volume on this. Let's turn this down. So if I hit fast forward on the remote, you can see it's seeking here, but the song is not seeking. So if you want to fast forward your song, well, I guess only for songs, we'll test out movies just now. You have to use these cursor. Let's turn this up. All right, let's go back. Okay, so I guess once you have media playing, you can't like go back. At least music, you can't go back or whatever. Let's try this. Oh, I love this song. Let's actually turn up the TV volume. Alright, let's try going into like menu stuff. So OSD. And here you can do random play, which is like shuffle, loop, sequential, which is one, then next, then the next, then the next. Single loop is, I guess you're just looping one song over and over and over and over. Single play, well, you just play that one song and then you stop. It's weird that this song is a non-copyright song. This song is good. And I hey, oh. Nah, we're not gonna dance for you guys. Alright, so let's check. I did put on the video of me reviewing this Pecron E1000 LFP. Check that out after you watch this video. Where is it? So do I have to go into video to see it? Oh, guess so. Alright, let's check that video out. Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing the Pecron E1000 LFP. It comes in 2 boxes. Alright, so let's try using the pause. Okay, it does pause. Fast forward. The XT60. Oh, okay. So the fast forward does work with videos. And if you use your cursors, that will just jump forward and jump backwards. It's between 68 minutes and is that minutes or hours? 6.8 hours. 6.8 hours. Pecron. My pecky upon the dresser. I can access my files. Is there a mute? So let's test here. There is a mute. Huh, would you look at that? Alright, yeah, so this media player, it's good, I like it. You cannot use it with external hard drives, so external SSDs and 2.5-inch SSDs would be your best bet. If you care about having your media organized by this media player, just dump it all on whatever drive you're using. Just dump it all on there and the media player will organize it. If you put it into folders, if anything is out of the folder, well then that will be organized. So the videos, I could not see the videos that were just dumped onto the drive when they were placed, when I was looking in the music section. Let's hit home. Let's see, settings. Okay, language, display. So 1080p 60 frames, auto playback, audio, zoom. You can load up, I did see in the instructions that you can load up subtitle files on your videos. I am not going to be looking at any videos that I did not produce. And I hate that you can't, let's say I'm at video, I can't click left to wrap back around to the settings. You have to go, it's this way and that way. You can't wrap around. Same for here, I can't click up and to wrap around to get back to the bottom. So Pecron E1000 LFP. Yeah, we did see that already. Um, yeah, so I guess that's my review of this this thing here. The remote is useful. I just wish that there was a way that this came with some way to like store both the media player and the remotes together, because I know for sure if I don't secure them together, I would lose them. Um, yeah, I it works. It works. It just works. Pretty sweet, and considering that all of this, the light, the TV, the media player is all powered by my Pecron E1000 LFP right up here. It's super neat. So yeah, this will definitely be an option for me if the power goes out and I don't have to evacuate my house. Israel doesn't do anything crazy, so I can just stay here while the power is going back up, and I can entertain myself with the TV. If the Pecron gets too low, I can solar charge it, because in the video here I did solar charge my Pecky, which is on the dresser. Yeah, I can solar charge it. I'm actually sending those solar panels back and getting one 200-watt panel, because these both panels are two 100-watt panels. So it's a whole thing. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions about this media player here, leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.